Hello, everybody. I just received my men's Eddie Bauer Cirruslite down jacket. So, our puffer jackets. And look at the price on this thing. It's $99. I bought three. Two large and one medium. One for my two medium, two large for myself and one for my son. And here's the other one. $99. All $99. And the regular price, like I say, $19. I got it for $24.99. Not 99, $24.75 to be exact. $24.75. Let me show you the prices. So right here. $24.75, $24.75, $24.75. All right, so I can open one out already. This is what it looked like. So I'm gonna put it on, and this is the large one. I'm gonna put it on to myself, and which one is the better fit, the large or the medium? And I'm 5'7" and 170 pounds. So this is my fit, so you can gauge if it fits you right or not. So all right, here's the first one. This is the large gray duck down. I don't know if that's the color. Gotta be here. Okay, this is the. Okay, this is a down fed. The down fed is 80/20. Power is 650. In turbidity 800. I don't know what those are, but here it is. You know about jacket than I do. I'm not too familiar with all those terms. Anyway, this is the color, the greenish. And this is the large, so here's the fit. So alright, here's the fit. Zipper up. It goes all the way to the neck. Or you can just leave it open. I don't feel comfortable with the zipper on my chin. So. Modeling position. It's nice, comfortable. Zipper works. When you buy something with zipper, you get test all the zippers. Big pockets, deep silica. Here's the back. Like I said, a 5'7", and it goes all over here. So it's a nice fit, but I got a big tummy though, so if I was skinny, it'd probably go down straight. And I'm gonna try the medium, see how's the fit on that one. I like large because I like them a little bit loose. And there's an elastic here, by the way. Here's the medium, right? Here's the medium, I think. I think it's anyway. Here's the medium, and the medium. Yeah, it's the same. Here's the medium. Here's the UPC code. Here's the UPC on the green one. You need to know. I'll put it in the description below too. Okay, only $24. So here's the medium size. Stuck already. I hate that when they get stuck like that. About the pockets. Silica. And it's inside too. It has a little pocket on the inside too, by the way. One pocket inside. No, each side has its own pocket. It's light, very light. It says it's a medium, made in China. They're all gonna be the same. Is the fit on the medium. Medium fits me too. A little bit tight because I have big stomach. If I didn't have a big stomach, then it'll probably be a better fit. So for my size, medium is the better fit, but I like them loose, so that's why I bought the large. Here's the back. Modeling position. Anyway, it's the medium. And the neck. Now the last one, I bought two for myself because I like to hike. I'm gonna wear one to work today because our work is cold. Let's see if it really blocks the cold. I thought we can't really test it except in the morning because it's cooler still. Zipper test. Get those out. Yeah, here is a camouflage one. Large. Here's what it looked like on me. True fit for me is medium, but I like large. Right? So, if I need to add something and I add it after this part of the video, if not, then I'll end this video right now. Just gonna say, if, so I'm gonna see if I can. So if I need to add something in this video, I'm gonna keep this thing gonna be longer. Alright, so that's it for now. This is the Cirruslite, I think it was Cirruslite, down jacket, puffer jacket. I got it for $24.75 each instead of paying $99. I might test it later or when it's colder. If so, then I'll add it on this video. So I tried this at work, and with the thermostat there's at 60 degrees and it kept me warm. So it works good for the temperature anyway. Not sure anything below that, but for 60 it's good. Keep me warm. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.